Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I want to give you guys a major update with KDP. You can now see your follower count. So you can see how many people are actually following you on Amazon. This is a game changer. And I want to talk about some other things as well. So, hi, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video if you would. I talk all things passive income for stay-at-home moms and wives on this channel. If you're a business owner as well, you can get as much value as well. So here are the passive streams of income that I currently have as a stay-at-home mom and wife and what I teach. Writing and publishing books on KDP, affiliate marketing, UGC creation, passive cryptocurrency, and digital products. Now, today, let's go get into it about KDP. KDP is Kindle Direct Publishing. It's the publishing house of Amazon. So, Amazon is a known to sell a whole lot of things, and one of those things is books, where self-published authors get the opportunity to publish their books on this platform to reach a broader audience. You can also use Kindle Direct Publishing to publish your ebook. You can publish your paperback book. You can publish your hardback book as well. Okay, so I am a published author. I'm on this journey right now of writing 12 books this year in 2023. It's probably going to be more, but we're in month three, so I already released two books. I released one in January and in February. A lot of my books is going to be around my book series called Power Publishing Secrets, because I'm also a book publisher. So I own a book publishing company called BWE Publishing and Consulting. We publish books for women entrepreneurs, women in business. So you can check us out there as well. Where right now, if we would love to help you by publishing your ebook for free. So that's our way of saying thank you and our way of helping you as a woman in business to get your brand and your business out there. Not only will we publish it on KDP, we'll publish it on other platforms such as Barnes and Noble and Cabo, so that you can get your name out there. So just learn more about that at our website at bwepublishingandconsulting.com, and my team will take care of that for you. Okay, so let's get into this. You have a KDP account. All right, so you have a Kindle Direct Publishing account, kdp.amazon.com. You will see this screen here. And what you will do is we're going to go to marketing. And then right over here, you actually get to access your Author Central, which is your author page. So Amazon gives you the opportunity to have an author page. I highly suggest that every author have an author page, okay? It doesn't matter if your book was published by a publisher or you publish it yourself. You can have an author page so you can display all of your books in one place, all right? And people get the opportunity to follow you. All right. So what does that mean? When you upload a book, they get a notification. All right. So, and I'm gonna talk to you guys about the notification as well. So I'm going to Amazon.com and I'm going to go here to manage my author page. And as you see right here at the top, new to Author Central, Amazon followers. And also I'm going to go with this book recommendation as well. So you can go to your Amazon followers by going, when you go to your Amazon author account. All right. So this is my author page. This is the back end of my page. You go to reporting and marketing. And right here, it tells me I have 34 followers. Okay. Listen, I am excited. I am excited to have 34 followers. I thank everybody for following my page. This is amazing because when someone follows you, they get notification when you upload a book. So If you are an author and you're only publishing a book once a year, no, ma'am. You need to be publishing. You don't have to do one a month, but at least do one book a quarter, especially as a business owner, because you want people to continue to get information from you. I see this in so many facets and so many ways. Like, this is a lead generator as well. I am so glad that I'm publishing a book a month because people get notifications. Let me tell you guys, on today's March the 18th, 2023, the day I am recording this video, right? I went to Women's Empowerment with my friends on March the 11th, 2023. So that was last Saturday. When we were sitting at the table, one of my friends said, Sharlrita, I just got an email that you published a new book. But let me tell you guys this. I published that book way before March the 11th, but she's just now getting the notification. I'm not mad about that. Let me tell you why. Okay. Let me go to books. This book right here, Triple Your Income, The Power of Three Systems for a Six-Figure Business. Go check it out. But I published this book as an ebook. Give me the date. I published it on February the 25th. So February the 25th is when I published this. So she got the notification exactly on March the 11th. So maybe about 3 weeks. Yeah. So let's say about 3 weeks, she got the notification. It's I'm not mad at that. Why? Because she got the notification. Okay. And so that means that your people that follow you may not get the notification right away, but she got the notification. My husband told me as well because he follows me, and he said, "I got a notification that you published a new book." And I was at first I was confused because I was like, "I didn't publish a book in March. I haven't published my March book yet." And he said, "Yeah." I said, "Well, what book is it?" And it tells you, what book I published, and it was that the book I just showed you guys right here, the Triple Your Income book. So I was like, "Oh, okay." So listen, this is amazing. Okay, so thank you to my 34 followers for following me here on Amazon. If you're not yet following me, you can keep up with me with my 12 books for 2023. I'm writing a book a month and uploading to KDP. And what the strategy behind that is, first of all, for me, is discipline, is really to get it done. I have so much content that I need to get out around writing and publishing books. And I'm leaving a blueprint. Okay. I'm not necessarily trying to become a bestseller. I'm not necessarily trying to sell a whole lot of books at this point. Right now, my focus is to get it done. I start promoting. I promote my books, but right now it's to get it done. So I am uploading the ebook version of my book. If you want the print version, you'll find that information inside of the book. Okay, so let's go back to home. Let's talk about this new this author this book recommendation. So let's go to create book recommendations. You can actually connect with your readers. You can add book recommendations to help them to learn more about you or you as the author, so you can select books that they need to read. So if you are new to my work, I recommend you starting here. So if someone is new to me, they just now learning about me, things like that. I'm gonna suggest that they start here. Okay, I'm gonna say start right here with this book, and I'm gonna submit that. Okay, all right. So that's gonna appear on my author page within a day. Now, you can also, if you want to get lost in a story, I recommend this book here. So it won't let me recommend. Oh, this book is already being used for a different question. I wonder. I had to go back and see. This one here. Okay, my most talked about book is this one. Okay, books I wish people knew more about is that one. Okay, so I'll select another book when I finish. Okay. All right. So you can also recommend books by other authors. Okay. If you like my work, I think you'll like this. So for me, I'm gonna put one of my authors here because I'm a publisher. So I'm going to put one of my authors here. A book I couldn't put down, I'm going to put one of my authors here. A book that left an impression on me, I'm going to put one of my authors there. That's me as a publisher. Okay. So I'm going to do that. Okay. So I'll do that at another time. I'm not gonna do that right now. I haven't decided on which books I want to definitely put there. So that's new. Those are the new updates with Amazon. If you have not set up a Amazon author page, I suggest that you do. Just go to author.amazon.com and set up you a author page. Again, if maybe you had your book published by a publisher and they uploaded your book for you, under their platform, you can still have an author page, and you have to request that book be under you, that you're the author of that book. Okay. So here's what the Amazon author page looks like at a glance here. So I have all of my books here. I have who that you can follow me right down here at the bottom, because you get new releases, updates, special offers, promotional offers. So as I'm publishing these books, I'm really really getting into this. I love this. You can put your bio here, so I have my bio here. And then all of my books. Okay, they used to have it where you can put your blog feed, and I think you can put video here as well. Let me see, because I just didn't have a video up here just yet. I used to, but then I took it down. So let's see if you can still do that. I don't see that here. Let's see, profile. Yeah, so you can add photos. Let's see. As of December 20th, photos and videos are not displayed on US. So if most of my people are from the US, that media used to be able to put pictures and used to be able to put video. Looks like you can't do that. We have updated the look of US author pages as of December. Blog feeds are not displayed. So I see they took that out. I hope that they can work around that, because I would love to have my blog. I would love to have video. I had video on mine before. I would love to have that on my page for people to follow me. And so, yeah, that's a big disappointment. However, when we're working on other people's platforms and we are here on other people's platforms, we just have to do what they say. Okay. So put your picture there, update that, and make sure that you guys follow me on Amazon, so I come back with some more updates.